Mail address, okay.
50 feet lamp
Yes,
post.
totally, sir.
Oil lamp post.
Oil lamp post, sir.
Mokkeli anda.
Mokli Vanda, sir. Red fodder and yellow fodder, ಜೊತೆಗೆ lime fodder. Put a full red type of sir, water.
Okay.
Technology sir paste ಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು full wash ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು sir rope swinging jula.
Oh.
Well ಆಡಿಸಿದ್ರು sir. That is yearly one time. Records. All the paper here, sir. At present,
Record section.
Record section. At present, Manish Shagdi, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is Balagar Administrative Office. They will solve them problems. Administrative Office.
Administrative
Office.
Okay.
So, right side, this is the Treasury Office. They will print coins here. Go there, sir.
That one. That is treasury office, huh?
Yes, sir, Treasury. They will print coins here.
Oh, print currency.
Coins, brass coins, silver coins, and gold coins.
Oh,
And also leather coins.
okay, okay. Yes. No cement.
Large pieces mixer, small stone mixer, and also sheep and goat wax dunks powder, and also sir good paste, and also sir charcoal powder. Mixed sir. Horse leg, elephant leg cell is a press built types. Approximately 500 years old wall. Very strong but very strong wall.
Okay, elephant pressed and
Horse press legs.
horse pressed.
Yes, sir. Yes,
With
but-
cow, goat and cow dung and
no, sir. The strong but sir. Approximately 500 years old wall. Construct this fort is full around 210 years. 210 years. Beginning year so 1569, ending year 1779. Totally 210 years. The fort built time period taken to construct this fort is full around 210 years.
oh,
210 years. Beginning year 1569, ending year 1779. Vision administrative 1336 open.
okay.
Ending year this is for 210 years. Hampi Vijayanagar Hampi 200 to 29 years. Five
Oh.
so total.
So to build this fort, it took 210 years.
10 years, sir, 10 years. Beginning year of 1569, ending year 1779.
Oh my God.
Another day is public no entry. That day time.
Okay, all time only during festival season only entry.
Yes, yes, only is entry. That day time at the very time will because it is.
Only royal family.
Yes, sir. Balagara sir under king. Vijayanagara.
Yeah, the royal family only.
Samant Dure.
Samunduri.
Paintings to them, right, sir? one younger sister fund.
Younger sister pond.
This one younger sister fund. That one that side.
Understood.
Elder sister fund. Sir, Hyderali defeat last Palagara and captures in Sringapattan in 1773 Third War. During the times, Palagara two wives committee suicide by jumping into the water. Elder sister jump there, younger sister jump here. Palagara two wives, one sister's marriage. Elder sister jump there. But elder sister name Padmamma Nagati. Younger sister name Bangaramma Nagati. Nagati is a dynasty name.
Okay,
Nickname.
They committed suicide here.
Yes, committed suicide by jumping into the water. Elder sister Padmamma Nagati. Younger sister Bangaramma Nagati name. Padmamma Nagati. Bangaramma Nagati. Bangaramma. That is old name. Sir, approximately 40 feet depth. Approximately, sir, 30 feet depth. 30-35.
Okay.
Younger sister fund. Tangikola.
Akkanakola, Tangikola.
Sir, upper port this place end sir. ಈಗ lower port.
ഭയങ്കര വീട്ടുണ്ട്.
Sir, this one Unkyobu tomb. Unkyobu meaning. Water place, sir. Night time, yesterday night time over rain was sir. All water flow up.
Oh, good.
Look one side. She is from Bilanpur family. Working over 90 plus Ballari district, Kodlige Talaki, Gudakote, village woman, village name Gudakote. Next after that, Unkyobu husband, Sir Pujas. God name Viranjaneya. God name Viranjaneya. Next Unkyobu husband, Kahala meaning bigger.
Viranjaneya Swami.
Viranjaneya Swami, yes sir, Viranjaneya Swami name. Puja ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಗ ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಟವರ್ ಸರ್ ವಾಚ್ ಟವರ್ ಸರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀಗಲ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಚ್ ಟವರ್ ಒನ್ ಬೀಗಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Oh, that one. After the rock, no?
ಸರ್ ಬೀಗಲ್ ಒನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್
Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ 15 ವಾಚ್ ಟವರ್ಸ್
15 watch towers
ಇದೆ ಸರ್ 5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ಸ್ and 10 warehouse meaning granary store room
granary store
and also sir totally 21 diddy baklu small door are all round at present local demolishes
Understood. Yeah.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 door. 2 doors are comes middle of city. 5 door inside fort.
Yeah.
2 doors are comes middle of city. Totally 7 door.
7 doors.
Only for 7 line fort. Round fort no round fort. Only for 7 line forts.
Okay.
Once.